Welcome back to the Electrician's 2 channel. On the bench today, we're going to do a review of this RR thermal imaging multimeter. It goes by the name of ZOYI, I believe, ZOYI, or ZOYI, ZT dash R02 thermal imaging true RMS multimeter. I've seen this meter being sold by several names, several brand names, but today it's being sold by ZOYI. So we're going to see what it can do, and just to let you know ahead of time that I will be comparing this meter. It's not the entire meter, but I will be comparing this meter as far as the thermal imaging part against another thermal imaging multimeter that I have. It's the Fluke 279 thermal imaging multimeter. Now, that Fluke, I don't know the real exact price of this meter here. I think it's meter, I don't know, $50, $60, maybe. I'm not sure. Anyway, this meter was sent to me, and anyway, it was sent to me. I don't know the exact name. I mean, the price of this meter, but still, we want to. But even though it was sent to me, guys, there was no strings attached to me giving my review, my unbiased review. If it's terrible, I will tell you guys that. If it's good, I'm gonna tell you that also. But I want to compare this meter against that over $1,000 Fluke 279 infrared thermometer that I have, and we'll see if it compares to or exceeds that Fluke, or the Fluke just happened to exceed it, and see if it's worth it. But we're going to compare that in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. When you see the thumbnail of this meter and the Fluke together, that's going to be the video. Now, what you see here on the desk, this what came in the box. It came in the box is pretty as far as, you know, it protects it pretty well. It's just one of them little recycled boxes, you know, you can, but anyway, it protects it pretty well. And it comes with this bag that came with the meter. It came with this USB cable and these probes. Now, that comes off, have the little protective shield that comes off, and they feel fairly nice. They don't feel all stiff. I know this is an inexpensive meter, and they don't feel stiff. It's still PVC, but it don't feel stiff like those stiff leads that come with the Fluke. You know, those of you who own the Fluke, you know what I'm talking about. Those old cheap leads that come with that Fluke. I don't know the model of the number of those leads, but they feel better than those. This user manual is fairly nice. It comes with this photocopy paper. It's a really nice manual. You can read it. It's color. I've seen worse manuals, but this is a really nice one here. Everything is color, and it's very well detailed. Very well detailed. So nice. This is a nice manual. Now, this USB cable, you would have to either buy, or if you have one of those outlets that have that will allow a USB cable to be inserted, well, you're good. In order to charge it up, you have to plug it in the back, which is a good thing. Plugging it in the back, you don't have to remove no cover or anything. Just plug it right in the back here, and you know, it'll do its own thing. It'll charge it up. So I'm learning. I haven't really went over this meter. I thought it'd be more exciting that you guys learn as I learn how to operate this meter. You know, I don't really know anything about it yet, or how I just know how to turn it on, and that's how it boots up. And we're going to go through some of the paces, and we'll see just how well it does. And that's the screen you get on thermal imaging. Now, remember, this is a multimeter also. So here it says it's a 25,000 count multimeter, okay. And true RMS, and we'll see. So let me see. It right now is on thermal imaging. So let me see how well we get to the multimeter part and we go to some of the DRM. Wait. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's the multimeter. Okay. It's a really nice screen. Black backlight, background, white font. Really nice. Right now it's in DC mode. Okay, so this is all the functions right here. So let me see. Oh, okay. Let's try. Okay, this is how you go. This is how you toggle through. Now it's in AC. And if you want to go to hertz, it's a hertz and a millivolts. Let me try that. That's millivolts DC. Millivolts AC. Okay, it should have hertz also. And I don't see but they do have a hertz feature on here. Oh, okay. It's already at the bottom. I didn't see that. You have a min max, and it shows your min max and average, but it also shows the frequency right here, and it stays there. So whatever function you have. Okay, so that's nice. And right here, you can toggle through whatever else you want to get to. Like right now, it's on ohms. Well, that's ohms right there. And that's diode symbol. Okay. Nanofarad, that's capacitance. Kilo ohms, I saw that mega ohms right there. Okay. And you can also, I guess this is save the button. Okay, well that's I have a graph. Oh, wow. It has a trend graph on here, which is nice. Min, max, and average. Okay, so they have a menu button here. Let me try that. Okay, at the top says album, brightness, auto off, IR off, and version. So I see the toggle arrows here, so let me try it, how to go down and see what happens. Okay, that's brightness. Right now it's at 60%. Auto off, I can turn it, it'll turn off in 30 minutes. Okay, I guess I can either move, I could either move across, I could toggle and make it go longer or whatever, or shorter. And if I toggle down again, it's IR off, so it'll turn it off in 1 minute. And this one, it tells you the version of the software. That's good. So, all right. And that's it. All right. So, pretty decent little meter. You know, even though it's inexpensive and it's not one of the names that you hear about often, I think so far I'm thinking that you could get the job done with this meter. First of all, you're going to be saving money. But hold on. But before I talk too quickly, guys, let me ask you to support the channel. You can hit the like button, subscribe button to the channel if you like my content. And in the comments, you can leave. Just leave. You don't have to leave anything, but just leave the your state flag or your country that you're in. Just put a flag and let me know where you're watching from, so I'll know where you're watching from. And you know, I want to see how far my videos go out. You know, that all that would be in support of the channel. Hit the subscribe button and the like button. That would help the channel to grow also if you like what I'm doing. Now, anyway, but before I talk too fast, let's finish going through some of the paces. So I'm going to, let me see the voltage. I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to see just how accurate it is. I guess I can use this. I can use that. All right. And I want to see just how well. I'm going to test the main voltage. voltages that are coming out of the mains here. And I'll see, let me get back to, wait, I'm trying to get back to, okay. Okay, so it volts AC. So let me, let's see if how well it can, how accurate that it may compare to this fluke. All right, 1 minute here. Let me set this right before I burn my fluke up. There we go. 120 and 121. I'll tell you what, there's a trend graph. I don't know if you, you see it? And that's the fluke. So both of them are reading 120, 121, and it's a clean sine wave. Even on here, it's clean. I don't see any distortion whatsoever. So that's nice. I'm getting well, yeah, it's saying 121 on here, and this was saying I thought I could see the measurement, but there we go. There it is. So far it's pretty nice. I really do like the background. What I'm seeing, I like that. I like the, yeah, I like it. I like it so far. So let me get out of here, and I'm gonna do some more comparison, but I want to do it with, I want to compare it against my Fluke 279. So you guys be on to watch out for that. I want to compare all the features with that. So, but what I'm gonna do now is I want to check out the thermal imaging feature and see just how clear that is. Again, I want to do some comparisons with that. So I'm going to use my iron. Sorry about that. I'm going to use my iron and so let me turn it on. Wait, let me set it up and then you can watch it. Watch the temperature. I don't like that. Let me see if they have a. I can change the color. Okay, brightness, right? Palette. Let's try the palette. Change the palette. No. Okay. Huh. Let me try a rainbow. Oh shoot. All right. How can I get across to this one? Guys, remember, I'm trying to learn it just like you. Let me see. All right. Save that. I guess. Okay. But now I'm going to want to go up. I want to do the rainbow. Now I'm going to press OK. Okay, so let me get back to the I'm trying to, how would I get back? Save it, I guess. Save. Maybe I should have read the directions, but it can't be that hard. So let me see. Still giving me that orange. I don't know. 1 second, guys. Trying to figure this out. Menu. Okay, so it's staying on the one that I want. Now I'm just trying to get back to, that may be it. That's not it. It's not the one I'm looking for. Okay, let me get back. I want to have to get that rainbow color. Okay, go here. That's the one I want. Yeah. So okay. Why is it moving up? I want it to stay there. Okay. Mm. 1 second, guys. I'm trying to shoot. Nope, I don't want to go there. Menu. Damn, Zoe. This thing can't be that hard. I don't like that. I don't want that background orange and green. But I'm trying to get to it. And I'm there, but it won't. All right, now press OK, and it's on a color that I want. Okay, so I gotta scroll down to that color. All right, so press OK again. All right, so how can I return? Do I hit this to return back? Nope. Do I? Okay. All right, I know that. Anyway, guys, see, I don't like that. That's what I'm not looking for. I'm looking for the, let me see, because I really want to give it its due diligence. Let me see. Palette key, okay. Terminal interface. Press to adjust the color palette in the setting. Press to decrease, okay. Return key in the setting interface. Press to exit. All right. So that's what it's telling me. It's saying, and that's what I was doing. All right, so I'm gonna do it again. All right, here we go. This is where I want to go. And now I want to color. I want to okay that. Now I want to just say turn, go back there here. Now I want to go up. Album. Okay. Now okay, that's the green. Okay, let's see, because it's giving me the rainbow on the side. So let me turn this iron on. And sorry about the long wait, guys. And okay, and I'm going to, while it's heating up, watch you guys take a look at it. And let it. They do have a min max on here. You see it? This is not the palette that I wanted, but I'll in the next video I'll have it down pat what I want, how to operate it if it's working properly. But just to show you guys, right now it's giving a max temp of 453 degrees and counting. See what it's going, where it's going to max itself out at. Okay, well it's maxing itself out at it has a max of 415-ish. It did go up higher, but now it's dropped some. But that's what it's giving, and so far it's doing pretty good. So I think it is worthy for me to do another video of this meter, and I'm gonna compare it with the Fluke 279 and see if it can either beat it or at least hang with it. And if it hangs with the Fluke as far as all the features and the clarity of the thermal imaging picture, it may be a worthy opponent for you, for anybody in there like a do-it-yourselfer to purchase something like this. Okay. Okay. Now it stopped. But anyway, I'm gonna have to find. I saw where I could silence this beeping at. But so far, guys, let me just see something else on here. Let me try this menu. Just see what all it has again. I'm not gonna go through the same thing to try to change the palette, but I want to see the brightness. All right, we go to brightness. There's and this is the menu for the thermal imager. Okay, has on and off, has distance, emissivity, or whatever you're doing here. Customize it, PCB, cement, ceramic, has rubber, paint, wood, and asphalt. Image, You can brightness is 100 right now is set to 100%, contrast 50, and detail is 50%. And as earlier, this is the palette. So I mean, it's a pretty decent little multimeter. It's packed with a lot of features. Now, do all of them work? It remains to be seen. But that's why I'm asking you guys to. The next time I do the video, I will learn this this multimeter, this instrument, and because I want to give it this due diligence when it's going up against the fluke, just to see if it can hang with it. So far, I think it's worthy of that chance. So stay tuned. When you see another pattern, when you see another thumbnail with this multimeter alongside with the fluke, that's the video. Okay, guys. I hope I piqued your interest. Don't forget to support the channel. Leave your flag from the country, the city, state that you're from, and in support of the channel. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you choose to. I'm out.